Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily disable chat in BlueJeans. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to right top corner to your profile and just click here profile. Right when you have it, go to settings, and when you will be in settings, you just want to scroll down below, and you're gonna see it right here, disable chat messaging, and this is what you need to click. And that's pretty much it. So click save changes. And voila, here we got it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. So again, right top corner into profile. So yeah. Goodbye.